It's your girl Cierra, back with another Bare Beauty Yoga video, and today we are going over Ujjayi breath, or also known as ocean breath. It is going to take us on a beautiful, soothing journey that is going to help release any anxiety and stress that you may have. So if you're ready to explore this breath with me, come find a comfortable seated position and let's get right into it. In this video, we're going to be going over benefits ocean breath has to offer, when to use it, who it is for, who it is not for. Then I'll demonstrate for you and we'll take 2 to 3 rounds together so you can experience all this breath has to offer. A little bit about the benefits. The benefits of this is that it stimulates the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is something that is part of the parasympathetic nervous system, and it helps control our digestive system, our heart, and our brain. So it really activates the respiratory system and the digestive system. So it's really important to incorporate this into your practice so you can have like a flowing system and get the oxygen pumping to each organ, and so they can work properly. It also overrides thoughts. A lot of the times whenever we're in yoga classes or in our everyday life, our thoughts can come in and seem so loud, so bombarding, and we can't seem to think straight. This breath helps with that because it allows you to focus on the breath instead of focusing on your thoughts or letting your thoughts take you on a spiral. I really enjoy this breath because it just brings you back into the moment and it brings you back down and grounds you into this reality. Another thing that it helps you with is releasing a stagnant emotion. So whenever we're having a hard time emotionally, this breath is perfect for you. Which leads me into, when should we do this? You should do it really anytime you're feeling stressed out or overstimulated. You can also take this breath into your yoga classes. So a lot of times when I can't focus in yoga class, I will start breathing my ocean breath and taking that tool out of the toolbox and using it then, because it helps me really be there instead of not present with the class. This breath is also good to do when you're feeling really overstimulated. You have like the TV playing, the music, this and that, like you'll get so overstimulated. So first I recommend turning off everything and then doing the breath, or going to a quiet place and taking this breath for about 5 to 6 rounds on your own so you can come back down. Who should use this breath? Who is it for? So it's for basically anyone that is experiencing a lot of anxiety. As I mentioned, overthinkers, people who tend to think a lot and play a lot of scenarios out in their head. Who is this breath not for? It's not for people who are pregnant or menstruating, because it has a lot of core activation, and when we're pregnant or menstruating, it's important to avoid a lot of core activation. So let's get right into the demo. So for this breath, we're going to come in a comfortable seated position. Spine is nice and tall, crown is reaching towards the sky, towards the ceiling, and we're gonna take our hand and our dominant hand, whatever it is, and we're gonna place it in front of our mouth. And then pretend that you're inhaling, and then as you exhale, pretend you're fogging a mirror. And that constriction in the back of your throat is what is going to guide you through this practice. So we're gonna be inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose with that constriction in the back of our throat. So I'll demonstrate for you so you can hear what it sounds like. It's gonna sound like an ocean, and it's gonna go something like this. Inhale. Okay, now let's take it to 3 rounds at our own pace. Inhaling deeply and exhaling deeply. One more time, inhaling pausing here for a moment. Noticing the difference from when we started to now. And gently open the eyes if they're closed. And I just want to thank you for showing up to this practice and showing up for yourself. I hope this is a good tool to add in your toolbox. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up to let the algorithm know that you liked it. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in with me, friends. Peace, love, and Jai Bhagwan. I'm never coming